Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can be making money with your phone. So the app I'm going to be showing you, the app is going to make you money. But before that, my name is Emmanuel. Basically what I do in this channel is that I make videos how to make money online. What I do that I try to online. If I find out something working for me or what I'm doing, I record video by showing you guys so they can do the same thing and get the same results. So all I want you to do for me just to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. And by turning on notification, it simply means that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube will give you a notification that I've already dropped a video, so you'll be the first to watch. So right here, but another thing, there is a first link in the description right there. Just click it. It's WhatsApp group. Just join the group. I share update there step by step on how to make money online, new ways how to make money online. So if you click the link in the description, it actually brings you to a page that you are seeing on the screen right here. As you can see, the better way to save and invest. So you can see right here, if I just scroll down all the way here, you can see that the reviews like that. This one that say that I just joined, I believe Piggyvest won't disappoint me. This one right here say Piggyvest has helped me with buying of new iPhone and it's the most reliable app. So if you come right here, you can see that you can contact them, you can see their email, you can see their number right here. So you can see that I've been for over 6 years now. Our customer have saved and invest billions of naira that they would normally be tempted to spend. So this website is trusted and legit. So to get started, you need to watch this video to the end to understand everything. So just come right here. You can download the app. You can get it on. If you are using iPhone, you can see that you just click on this get on iPhone. If you are using Android, just click on this get on Android. So just to sign up, just come right here. But first, just sign up first, then you download the app, or you can just download the app anyone. Just click on this create an account. Once you click on this create an account, to actually bring it loading up right there. So you need to follow the instructions. You need to follow step by step and how you can make this work. So to bring it right here, as you can see right here, once you are here, just go ahead and put your full name right here, enter your email address, put your phone number, put password I can remember, and this referral phone number or promo code is very important. It's very important. You can put the number you are seeing on the screen right here. Just put the number there. Very important. If you put the number, you are going to be getting 1,000 naira, and me, I'm going to be getting 1,000 naira. You'll be getting 1,000 naira. So this one right here, they say how do you hear about us? It's optional, but come right here, just select anyone. Just select Google search, Play Store, or just select family and friends and co-workers. So right here, but this referral number, put the number you're seeing on the screen right here. It's very important. It's still in the description. So after that, just come right here and click on this create an account. Create account. Once you click on this create account, it actually bring you right here, as you can see. So you ask me that I did not see my 1,000 naira bonus. You say I should put the number. I did not see my 1,000 bonus. Just follow step by step right here. If I just click on this account right here, you can see right here that come right here. If I just click on this, refer friend right here, you can see right here that earn 1,000 naira per referral. This one right here, I use Piggyvest to save and invest. Sign up with my link and get 1,000 naira. So this one right here, you can see your referral code right here. Anybody that invest, you'll be earning 1,000 naira. Earn 1,000 naira per referral. Friends also get 1,000 naira. So if you use the link, you'll be getting 1,000 naira, and I will be getting 1,000 naira. So you can see we send reminders. We help send reminders message too. So right here you can see, if you're a referral, just come right here, click on this Piggyvest. Anybody that invest, anybody that sign up with your referral code, you'll be getting 1,000 naira. So before your 1,000 naira will appear on your dashboard, what you will do right here is that you need to verify your email address. Just go to your mailbox and verify your email address. It's very important. You will add your BVN or name. You will tell us more about it. So this is very simple. There is no this one right here. It's already add a valid debit card. So you add the debit card. After that, you just set your security question for recovery. So it's very important. This one, this sets your security question for recovery is very simple. Just ask a question and answer it by yourself. So very simple. So and you can get the app on apps. You can get it on Google Play Store. So and with this site you can invest. So in the next video I'm going to be showing how you can invest in this platform and make money. So if I actually give you a value in this video, you can see right here, start investing in verify opportunity. Let's help you get started. So you can see you can invest. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all I want you to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification, so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be the first to get notified that I've actually dropped a video. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to put all these things, as you can see, to-do list, so that your 1,000 naira will appear on your dashboard. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.